Log into Concur using your Church Mutual email address. We will create an expense report that has meal and mileage expense lines. We can select Start a Report or use the Expense tab. Select Create New Report. Now we'll give the report a name and a report date using the calendar. Then select Next. Now that we've created a new report, we will add expense lines. Select New Expense. We can type in the expense into the search box or just select from the list of expenses below. We'll do personal car mileage. We'll fill in all of the red spaces on the page, and we'll start with transaction date, then purpose of the trip, and from and to location. Now we'll select the distance. Now that we've filled in all the red spaces on the page, we will select Save. You do not need to attach a receipt with personal car mileage in Concur. We'll select Save. This expense line has been created. Now we will add another. Let's do lunch. We'll fill in all the red spaces on the page, including the transaction date from the calendar, business purpose, payment type, and finally the amount. Now we will use Attach a Receipt. The Attach a Receipt tab opens a dialog box that allows us to use available receipts or to browse for any receipts that we've saved to our device. Receipts can be made available a number of ways. You can use the Concur or Expensed apps to take pictures of the receipts. You can scan them in just like with the previous process, or you can also email them to your Concur account at receipts@concur.com using your verified email address. We'll select a receipt and then hit Attach. Now that we've attached the receipt to this item line, we'll select Save. Now that we've created the expense lines and attached the correct receipt to each individual line, we can submit the report using the Submit Report tab. We'll accept and submit. And here's our confirmation that the report was successfully submitted. This is how you enter meal and mileage into Concur. We'll go ahead and close.